Hello Oppo fam, let's unbox the Oppo Reno 14 5G. Let's go! So yun na nga guys, ito yung pinaka mismo box ng Oppo Reno 14 5G. So as we open the box, makikita natin yung maliit na box and then makikita nyo po yung Make Your Moment tagline ni Oppo. So inside ng maliit na box, meron po tayong warranty cards and then the casing, clear case. Ayan. So, set aside muna natin yan. Next natin makikita is the phone itself. Pero, hindi muna natin i-open yan, guys. Titingnan muna natin yung pinakaloob-looban niya. So, meron tayong adapter na 80 watts and then yung cable and then the SIM ejector pin. So, dito na tayo sa exciting part, yung Oppo Reno 14 5G natin. So, ayan. Napakaganda niya, guys. So, as you can see, naka 6.59 inches lang po yung screen niya. And then, as we open, mapapansin nyo, guys, is napaka-crisp po ng colors niya. Napaka-punchy. Kasi naka AMOLED panel siya, guys. And then, 120Hz screen refresh rate. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung design niya sa likod. Kung makikita nyo, guys, napakaganda ng design niya. It has an iridescent mermaid design. That is the Oppo Reno 14 5G.